Hello guys, what's up? My name is Chirag and welcome to Coding with Python Part 5. As I said in my previous video, today we are going to be making a calculator. So I'm going to type the code, and if you don't understand any logic, then you can rewatch my previous videos from the Python coding series because all the logics are basically pretty self-explanatory. So without any wastage of time, let's get started. So first I'm going to first I'm going to print hello, welcome to my calculator, because it's just a friendly calculator. So uh, bracket open, double quotes, welcome calculator, and then on the next line I'm going to take an input from the user. Okay, so this is going to be x or first number. You can change the variable's name. I'm going to specify the data type, which is integer, then input, and then we can write a hint or a message inside it. So enter your first number. Then I'm going to copy this line and I'm going to go to the next line and paste it, and then instead of x I can change it to operation, and input is equal to enter your operation. And then I can again paste the line and I can change the x to y or second number or whatever you want. And instead of first, I'm going to write second. So enter your second number. Then after this, we are going to create an if-else loop. So if operation equal uh, quotation mark open and plus. Oh yeah, also, so since operations are not considered as integers, if the user will enter an operation, there'll be an error. So please remove the integer and the extra bracket. So I have to also remove this, and that looks good. Then don't forget to put the colon. So, if operation equal plus, after operation we have to, I'm pretty sure we have to give a space. If operation equal to plus, then print bracket open, uh, print bracket open, we have to print x plus y. Now I'll simply copy this line and go to the next line, and instead of if I'll type elif, because it's a continuity of the if loop. So elif operation equal minus, print x minus y, and then again go to the next line, paste this and change the if to elif. Not okay. Elif operation equal multiply, then the user can enter this or the x. It's the user's choice. And over here in coding language, or I think you might have studied this, for any computer language you'll put shift 8 or the hashtag for the multiplication. And then lastly, operation equal slash, the front slash, which is also known as division. Then we have to print x divided by y. And let's check this out. Welcome to calculator. Thank you for welcoming me. So enter your first number. Let's just say 12. Enter your operation, multiplication, and enter your second number, 12. So we get 144. Let's test out another number. Let's test it out again. So 12 operation is equal to plus, and okay, and enter your second number, which is equal to 30. Let's check it once. So 12 plus 30, 25. And then let's also check division. 12 divided by 3, and I think it's good, 4.0. So I think it's giving us the final answer in a float because we have included division, but I don't think that makes a really big difference. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. Please make your calculators in your own styles and tag me on Instagram. I'll link my account in the description. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. You all have a good day. Goodbye.